So guys, may ikakat tayo ngayon guys. Oakley lenses for Oakley penny. Ito po yun guys, ang donor lens natin. Prism filled. Oakley prism filled. Ikakat natin guys para sa penny frame. Brand new to guys. You know, brand new donor lens from Oakley. Yun. Ang ganda ng pagka-pula nito guys. Kakat natin guys para mapasok dito sa penny frame. You know. Subukan natin guys i-retain ang kanyang prism edge. For sure mariretain to. Yun. Let's go. So guys, natapos na ang ating penny lens. Nakat na natin. Ayun, obviously na-retain natin ang prism edge. Ayun, ilapit natin ang camera guys. Ito yung prism filled penny for penny X metal. Ang ganda ng kanyang pagkapula. Yun. Guys, isweet natin sa frame. Tingnan natin kung fit ba siya. Yun. Napakaswak guys oh. Yun. Isa. Napakaganda ng fit niya guys. Yun o. Hindi maluwag, walang window. Fit na fit. Napakagandang colorway para sa penny. Yun. Prism filled. Napakagandang lens. Ito na guys yung finished product natin. Oakley penny prism filled authentic lenses custom cut. Yun, ready to ship na natin guys. May nag-order nito. Yan guys, ready to ship na ang ating penny lenses prism filled authentic Oakley lenses custom cut. So nag-order, thank you so much. Paki-wait na lang guys.